Okay, now that we got your product design, that STL file, into Makerbot Print, we've added the printer, we've run through our settings. Most importantly for you right now is you want to see how long it's going to take to print. We can look at this by layers, see where support material is going to be generated, where the raft's going to be generated, the infill pattern. We can slice this layer by layer and see it. But more importantly, you're looking for print time. We will also determine the mass, how much material is actually being used. This we will use later on for our catalog page. And another thing is in terms of cost. How much is this actually costing you to build? So I've run through all my settings. I have my fastest, or what I think are my fastest settings in here. And I'm going to run a print preview. For you being the first time, this will take a little while. There'll be a bar that goes across here where it's generating this. Now, I tried to cut down on screen time here. But I can see it layer by layer. There's my support material underneath, because underneath it's hollow in mine. Maybe not the optimal design, because I have to go and break all that material out of there later on. But I can see the raft. I can see the infill pattern. There. You're seeing it on the inside. The infill pattern. But more importantly, I'm getting the estimated print time. So right now mine's going to take 8 hours. Well, the fact that I have what I would suggest are the fastest print settings, I'm not going to be able to remove 2 hours of print time here. I need to redesign something. I also know that I have 91.75 grams worth of material. Running out of material in the middle of a print is not ideal. So we can check the spool before we start printing to see if we have enough material to hopefully print this. I have a pretty good idea. You can play an animation. We never do. It will go layer by layer. But I have now figured out that, man, based on the fact that you have a 6-hour print window, I'm way over. I need to redesign it. I need to go back through this process again. Take this off the build plate. Go back to your product, or maybe just start a whole new design. Make some sort of change. Maybe I can make this not as tall. Maybe make this a smaller diameter if my pens or pencils are still going to fit in here. Maybe make the base material not as thick. Some drastic change, because I got to remove a lot of print time here. Maybe redesign one from the beginning. Export your new design as an STL, insert it into Makerbot Print, print settings, preview again. Yes, practice through repetition.